Hey everybody, welcome back. In today's video, we will be discussing time management mastery for business analysts. I'll be offering you tips and strategies for effective time management in your role. Now, the area of business analysis is fast-paced. So managing time effectively isn't just a skill that you need to have. It's an essential part of the business analyst job. It allows business analysts to meet deadlines, prioritize tasks, and maintain a high standard of work while juggling various responsibilities. So in today's video, I'll be sharing some tips and strategies to optimize your time management as a business analyst. So one thing you need to do, prioritization is key. So you want to start by understanding the unique demands of your role. BAs often have to balance strategic thinking with tactical tasks, and knowing which to tackle first can save you time, can save you a lot of time. How can you do this? You can use tools like the Eisenhower matrix, which is one that I use as well, to categorize your work into what's urgent and important, what's important but not urgent, what's urgent but not important, and neither urgent nor important. So I came across this matrix from the book, The 7 Habits of Highly Effective People. I think you should read that because it will help you as a business analyst on how to be effective in your role, even though the book sort of generalizes things. Now, the second thing you can do is to embrace Agile methodologies. The Agile framework can enhance time management by breaking work into manageable chunks. So you will have to adopt this within your project delivery and within your team. With the sprints, the iterative cycles within Agile methodologies, you can really focus on delivering that specific component of a project within a set time frame. That way it would ensure progress is steady and measurable. Now, another effective way of managing time is meetings. Effective meeting and management. Meetings can be time consuming if you don't manage them properly. As a BA, it's crucial to ensure that the meetings have a clear purpose and agenda, facilitate discussions to stay on topic, don't go outside, right? And end with actionable items. Consider having stand-up meetings as well to keep your meetings brief and focused. So really having an agenda and not going outside the scope of your meeting will help you manage your time effectively. Another thing that I do is leverage time blocking by dedicating blocks of time to specific tasks or types of work. This helps to minimize switching context, losing track, right? Losing focus, because that will really eat into productivity. So for instance, you can set aside uninterrupted blocks for deep analysis work and separate times for responding to emails and other communications. So this is what I do. I make sure that I have set times for every task that I want to carry out for the day in my work. One other thing you can do is automate repetitive tasks. First, you want to identify those repetitive tasks that you can then automate, such as generating reports, data entry, or scheduling. You can use various software tools to take over these tasks where possible, and it will free you up for more complex and high value work. I also automate emails, sending emails, automate things that are outside work, like my YouTube videos. I schedule those just so that it doesn't eat into my productivity. Now, final thing to do is learn to say no. As business analysts, especially as your expertise grow, the demands on your time will also grow. So it's important to learn to say no or delegate work when appropriate, because taking on too much can lead to burnout, definitely, and subpar work quality. The quality of your work will just go down, right? Now, finally, I want you to continuously self-reflect by keeping a time log to review how you spend your days. This reflection can reveal time wasting habits. It will help you to uncover habits that result in time wasting, as well as activities that don't contribute to your goals. And from there, you can adjust your schedule accordingly to ensure that you're investing time into the most impactful activities. So in conclusion, effective time management is a skill that evolves with your BA career. So by employing the strategies that I've shared, I hope that you'll be able to ensure that your time is spent adding value to your project and your organization. Prioritize tasks, embrace Agile practices, manage your meetings effectively, block out time for focused work, automate repetitive tasks, and learn to say no. And finally, regularly reflect on your time use. These are the 5 tips I can share. And by having these in place, you will not only manage your time, but you also enhance your impact as a business analyst. So that's it for today. I hope you found some value in today's video. As always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this content. You never know who it might help. Till I see you in my next one. Peace.